This video explains how to operate CG Wipe of the HVS-490. First, we will show how to use CG Wipe. Go through the menu to ME Flexikey. Background Program. Modify, then CG Wipe. Turn the F1 knob and set Enable to On. Next, set the still. Here, set the still in which the sequential number file used in CG Wipe is saved. This time, use still 1. Set duration to an appropriate value. Tap Source, and the sequential number files saved in advance will be displayed in the clip list. Select the sequential number file and tap Load. Move to the second page. Turn the F1 knob and set the value of keyer. Set Transition End to key off. Go to third page. Set Trans Type to the arbitrary setting. Set Trans Rate to an appropriate value. Set Fader to CG. Next, set the keyer settings. Quickly tap twice on the Key 1 button in the top left corner of the OU to move to the Keyer 1 setting screen. Set key type to bus and insert signal to the keyer. Once these settings have been made, set Next Transition to Background and press the Auto button to execute CG Wipe when switching background images. CG Wipe can be also operated with the faders. Next, we will show how to register direct pattern. This time, we will register the CG Wipe pattern which we created earlier. Tap Direct Pat, then tap the button we wish to register. Press Store to register the wipe pattern. After changing to another wipe pattern, we will quickly call up the wipe pattern we registered with Direct Pattern. So now, we would like to switch quickly from the wipe pattern to CG Wipe. Press the button you have just registered in Direct Pattern and press the Recall button. Pressing the Auto button executes the CG Wipe you have just registered. In this way, complex settings such as CG Wipe can be instantly called up with Direct Pattern.